Home equipment to keep you active when working from home. So you've decided to work from home. Congrats! Now the next question is, what kind of equipment do you need to make your space functional and comfortable? In this video, I'm going to show you some of our favorite pieces of workout equipment that will help you stay in shape while working from home. Hey there! Welcome back to Health Shadow. If you're like us and have made the switch to working from home, then you know that it can be a little tricky to stay in shape. That's why we've put together this video on our favorite pieces of workout equipment for people who work from home. These tools will help you keep healthy and productive, so stick around and we'll show them to you. There, you know the routine. If you're a regular here at Health Shadow, you will know that you need a paper and pen because you're going to need the list upon buying your next workout equipment. You might as well hit the subscribe button and the tiny bell right beside it for updates from our channel. Working from home sounds like a great idea, avoiding traffic and taking calls from the couch. But it may be difficult to stay active when working at such a cushy desk. You need some creative thinking, as well as self-discipline. But being physically fit is crucial for your mental health as well. So make sure you get those workouts, even if it's just walking around while watching TV or going outside on days where there's no work involved. There's a reason office hours are set, to keep you focused on the job at hand. Working from home also causes laziness. It does not need dressing up like you would for work. After a while, being in your PJs becomes the norm. Now, we still need to get fit and moving even in pajamas. So listen up carefully. Home exercise equipment is intended to assist you battle the hazards of a sedentary lifestyle. A sedentary lifestyle is defined by spending lengthy periods of time sitting down or lying down. This is difficult to avoid in many office occupations. Many individuals are startled to hear that leading a sedentary lifestyle might have a detrimental influence on your mental health. Sedentism can cause anxiety, despair, and have a detrimental impact on your mood over time. Here's what you're gonna need at home to keep that muscles flexing even in pajamas. First is the treadmill desk. With a treadmill desk, you can take your home exercise to the next level. These clever devices serve as both a treadmill and a working workstation at the same time. Set the speed to your preferred degree of comfort, which means you may alternate between a light jog and a slow stroll as you work. According to several studies, moving while working might increase productivity and creativity. Many treadmill workstations are also collapsible, making them simple to store when not in use. According to the medical establishment, sitting is the new smoking. They see that far too many of us do far too much of it at work. Even if you exercise before or after work and on weekends, all of those hours spent sitting at work are detrimental to your health. You probably won't change your profession for that reason, but you can modify how you work at it. Treadmill desks are a fantastic method to add more exercise into generally sedentary settings or situations. According to study, your poor metabolism may be caused by your profession, rather than your genes if it requires you to sit for long periods of time. A treadmill desk might assist you in getting more exercise into your workday. Next is the balance board. Balance board workouts are a type of training that consists of a sequence of standing and weight-bearing exercises done on an unstable surface. They are designed to strengthen the muscles surrounding the ankle and enhance balance. Balance boards, which are commonly used in rehabilitation settings and athlete conditioning programs, may also address upper body stability and core strength. A balancing board is often composed of wood, with a flat top and a dome-shaped, unstable bottom in the center. This enables the board to travel in various directions. Rocker boards can be rectangular or curved U-shaped, allowing you to move from side to side or front to back. Round balancing boards, also known as wobble boards, allow you to move from side to side and front to back, as well as tilt the board in a circle, dubbed around the world. To keep fit at home, you don't need a lot of room or complicated equipment. In fact, a basic balancing board is one of the most popular ways for individuals to stay active at home or at work. Standing on a balancing board for a few minutes at a time throughout the day will help you improve your balance and develop your core muscles. Why not get a six-pack while at work? A balancing board is especially useful since it is tiny, portable, and can fit beneath a standing desk. Balance boards are well recognized for their use in injury prevention, as well as rehab and balance training. However, because any sort of physical activity burns calories, utilizing a balancing board may also help you lose weight. Not only did you get your workloads balanced, you also got your health and career balance too. Next perfect equipment for you is the bike desk. Can't go out to ride a bike and hit your favorite trail because of the loads you had just today? If this is the case, you should seriously consider getting a bike desk. These cutting-edge pieces of equipment allow you to spin, burn calories, and do your everyday duties and projects all at the same time. Bike workstations are intended to allow you to work comfortably while biking. They can adapt to your demands with an adjustable desk. Moreover, make way for pedal desks, the newest office device designed to make work more difficult. According to a new pilot research published on Monday, pedal workstations do more than merely aid with aerobic exercise. It was discovered that cycling under a desk provides significant health advantages, including the prevention of obesity, diabetes, and heart disease via insulin resistance. And innovations for bike desks are superb. The Flexispot bike desk is exactly what it sounds like, a mobile bike desk. It enables you to work while exercising. It may also be used as a standing desk. Standing desk and treadmill desk, on the other hand, are not as useful since individuals risk standing for too long. People may bike at their own rate with pedaling workstations, according to the experts. Next equipment is elliptical. An elliptical trainer, also known as a cross trainer, is a type of exercise equipment that replicates a variety of cardiovascular activities such as walking or jogging, stair-stepping, or cross-country skiing. Elliptical machines feature pedals that are hung above the ground and move forward and backward, or up and down on a track. On an elliptical trainer, the user's foot never touches the ground, so the jarring effect of walking or jogging on a hard surface is absent, something many back pain patients like. With an elliptical in your work-from-home environment, you can take your at-home exercise to the next level. These low-impact cardio devices are suitable for people of all fitness levels and can enhance your cardiovascular health and general fitness. Ellipticals are good for people healing from injuries or having lower body muscle or joint concerns since they are a low-impact alternative to running on a treadmill. It is recommended to try the model at a local gym or sports goods store to see whether it is appropriate for the training routine and the area in the home where it will be stored. Next, perfect for work-from-home workout equipment is rowers. Rowing is a full-body exercise from the outset, which is why short workouts on a rowing machine are beneficial. Rowing engages approximately twice as many muscles as other exercises such as jogging and cycling. A single rowing machine stroke targets your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, core, arms, and back muscles. You no longer need a canoe or kayak to enjoy a great exercise. With this fitness equipment, you can reap all of the benefits of rowing without having to venture into open water. Rowers simulate the motion of rowing a boat, providing an incredible full-body exercise that simultaneously develops muscle and improves cardiovascular health. Yes, you can do it in the comfort of your home now. Before we head on to the last two needs for staying fit at home, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the tiny bell for updates from our channel, your health channel, Health Shadow. Now let's dive into the last two. Next is a stretch partner. Yes, a partner. A dynamic stretch buddy can help you with your everyday stretches. This training equipment allows you to get the deepest stretch possible, either at home or at work. The stretch partner is intended for longevity and top performance and is simple to set up and store. Stretching is an important aspect of any home exercise plan that you should not miss. It is ideal for warming up before or cooling down after a workout. Stretching, according to research, can help you stay strong, improve your posture, and recover from injury. Learning to feel and move someone else's body will teach you a lot about your own. And getting a partner stretch from experienced hands can safely get you into deeper positions than you could attain on your own. Now, for the last one. Last equipment you'll need is a standing desk. This last one may not appear to be standard workout equipment, but it may still have a good influence on your health, fitness, and productivity. Simply standing instead of sitting all day can improve your posture, minimize back discomfort, and lower the hazards linked with sedentary living. Although it may appear easy, using a standing desk has significant health benefits. Standing desk proponents point to research that suggests that after a meal, blood sugar levels return to normal faster on days when people spend more time standing. Furthermore, standing rather than sitting may lower the risk of shoulder and back discomfort. Because who loves back pain? No one does. Let's boycott back pains from now on. Have you learned something? Share it with us in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates from your health-related channel on YouTube, The Health Shadow. That sums up everything we shared with you today. We'll catch you next time. Remember, stay healthy.